Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick video. I will show you how to speed up the booting time of MSI motherboard. In this video, I already showed you the solution you can do in various settings. The first thing you can do is go to setting over here and click the boot option over here. In the boot configuration, we have two options. The first is MSI fast boot. The second option is fast boot. And this one is enabled by default. You can read some description over here that enable or disable the Windows 10 fast boot features. So this one is a Windows 10 default fast boot feature. And you can switch to MSI fast boot over here. MSI fast boot is a faster way to boot up the system without USB or SATA. That means the speed of the boot up is the maximum, but you can use keyboard or you can use mouse, and you even can't use the external storage. It's based on what you need. I recommend you guys to enable the fast boot because it's similar to Windows 10 fast boot or Windows 11 is similar. If the speed is very important to you, you can enable MSI fast boot. I have one more solution that can speed up the booting a little bit. It's fast. You go to setting again, you go to system status over here, and you can see I have a lot of SATA port connected to my external drives. This one I have 3 GB drive. This one I have 200 GB. This one I have an SSD drive. This one also I have SSD drive. I have 3 SSD drive in 3 SATA. Like you see right now, I have a lot of external drives that I connect to the motherboard. This one can slow down the boot. So I suggest you use only 1 or 2 SATA port. Like my system right now, I can remove all the external drive and change it to 5 GB solid state drive. Like my system right now, the solution could be remove all the hard drive in the SATA port with only 1 or 2 hard drive. That will speed up the booting a little bit, but not too much. That's all my videos. If you found any better solution, please let me know in the comment. I will see you in my next videos.